Aerobics refers to physical exercises designed to improve cardiovascular health. These exercises focus on continuous, rhythmic activity that increases the heart rate. Aerobics can include activities like running, dancing, or cycling. Definition: aerobics is a noun that describes a type of exercise aimed at improving heart and lung function. It includes rhythmic exercises performed at moderate intensity to increase stamina. Aerobics routines often combine movement, stretching, and strengthening exercises. Examples and sentences. 1. She attends an aerobics class every morning to stay in shape. Here, aerobics refers to the exercise class designed to improve physical fitness. 2. The aerobic session was intense but helped improve their stamina and flexibility. In this sentence, aerobics refers to the exercise routine focused on increasing endurance and flexibility.
English practice.